If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of indicators out there and wondered which ones are actually worth your time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 20 TradingView indicators that are essential for crafting a highly profitable trading strategy. These aren't your average indicators. These are tools that could completely transform your trading journey in 2024 and beyond. These indicators were evaluated on factors such as accuracy, reliability, ease of use, and their ability to provide valuable insights into market trends and price movements. Curious to find out which indicator is on the first place? Stay tuned as we unveil these magical tools one by one. Let's jump in. On the 20th place, we put an indicator that will help you automatically detect key support and resistance levels with trend lines. This tool is called Trend Lines, Supports and Resistances by Ismail Karlik. This is a chart indicator. It can be used for basic price action analysis. To enable trend lines, simply open the indicator's inputs and check this option. Here's an example of how you can benefit from this indicator. When a new support zone is formed, the market tends to return to this level to refill those buy orders. This is a good time to initiate a buy trade and follow the trend. To add an extra layer of protection, it is vital to check for a trend line breakout to the upside. The resistance level can serve as a profit target in this strategy. Overall, this indicator is a great tool to have in your collection. Let's move on to the next pick. Number 19. The Adaptive Trend Finder Indicator by Julian Eche. In the dynamic landscape of financial markets, the Adaptive Trend Finder stands out as an example of precision and professionalism. This advanced tool, equipped with a unique feature, offers a novel approach to market trend analysis. The choice between automatic detection of the long-term or short-term trend channel. This increased flexibility adapts to individual trading preferences and changing market conditions. Here's an example of a long-term and short-term channel. Two adaptive trend finder indicators are currently enabled on the chart. With the help of these tools, you can spot sniper entries in a trending market. When a long-term channel indicates an uptrend, you can use a short-term channel to find areas of discount. Trend channels can be used with oscillators like RSI or stochastic. The next indicator on our list also makes it easier to read the price chart. It is 10 times more effective than a moving average. Introducing Liquidity Weighted Moving Averages by Algo Alpha. Liquidity Weighted Moving Averages is an alternative approach to identifying underlying trends in the market by looking at candle bars with the highest level of liquidity. This script offers a modified version of the classical MA crossover indicator that aims to be less noisy by using liquidity to determine the true fair value of price and where it should place more emphasis when calculating the average. The LWMA can be used as a secondary confirmation tool. It works great with oscillators like RSI and MACD. Speaking of oscillators, we've prepared a powerful indicator for you. By the way, it can be used with LWMA. The 17th indicator on our list is called Simple Neural Network Transformed RSI. Look how beautiful your chart has become. The Simple Neural Network Transformed RSI stands out as a formidable tool for traders who specialize in lower time frame trading. It is an innovative enhancement of the traditional RSI readings with simple neural network smoothing techniques. This unique blend results in fairly accurate signals, tailored to swift market movements. The NNT RSI is particularly resistant to the usual market noise found in lower timeframes, ensuring a clearer view of short-term trends. Furthermore, its diverse range of visualization options adds versatility, making it a valuable tool for traders seeking to capitalize on short-duration market dynamics. In the indicator's inputs, you can select different visualization options and customize candle modes. I mentioned that NNT RSI can work great with LWMA. Here's an accurate strategy for you. A long trade is initiated if the NNT RSI gives a buy signal during an uptrend. Simple but effective. Next up on our list, we have an essential indicator every trader should know about. This indicator is called the Trader's Trend Dashboard by Alex Fouche. The Trader's Trend Dashboard is a comprehensive trend analysis tool designed to assist traders in making accurate trading decisions across various markets and timeframes. Unlike conventional trend-following scripts, TTD goes beyond simple trend detection by incorporating a unique combination of moving averages and a visual dashboard, providing traders with a clear and actionable overview of market trends. TTD doesn't rely on just one moving average crossover to detect trends. Instead, it employs a dynamic approach by comparing two moving averages of distinct periods across multiple timeframes. This innovative methodology enhances trend detection, accuracy, and reduces false signals commonly associated with single moving average systems. The indicator displays three market conditions: uptrend, downtrend, and neutral. You can choose which timeframes you want to be shown, as well as the EMA length. Save this indicator to your collection, and let's move on to the next script. 15th on our list is the MACD Fake Filter Indicator by Hassan Rifat. This innovative tool goes beyond traditional MACD signals by analyzing positive and negative waves to determine the average height of the waves to filter false crossover or cross-under signals during the sideways market. There are two types of waves created by the MACD line. One is a positive wave above the zero line, and another is a negative wave below the zero line. Each wave has peaks. This indicator will find the average height of the positive wave's peaks and plot a green line. Vice versa, it will also find the average height of the negative wave's peaks and plot a red line. When the MACD line crosses the MACD signal line above the average height of the positive wave, the indicator prints sell labels. Exactly the opposite is true for buy labels. If you like trading with pure price action, yet need an indicator that can break down the price chart into simple patterns, the Smart Money Concepts Probability by Ziaman is ideal for that purpose. This indicator tracks the actions of institutional investors, commonly known as smart money. It calculates the likelihood of smart money being actively engaged in buying or selling within the market, referred to as the smart money order flow. The indicator measures the probability of three key events: change of character, CHOCH, shift in market structure, SMS, and break of structure, BMS. These probabilities are displayed as percentages alongside their respective levels, providing a straightforward and immediate understanding of the likelihood of smart money order flow. The back-tested results are shown in a table, which gives traders an understanding of the historical performance of the current order flow direction. A good win ratio is achieved on the 15-minute Solana price chart. Definitely try this indicator out. The next indicator on our list also finds patterns in price action. This tool is called 2B reversal pattern. The 2B reversal pattern, also called the spring pattern, is a popular chart pattern professional traders use to identify potential trend reversals. It occurs when the price appears to be breaking down or up and then suddenly bounces back up down, forming a spring or false breakout pattern. This pattern indicates that the trend is losing momentum and that a reversal is coming. In a bearish market, the spring pattern occurs when the price of an asset breaks below a support level, causing many traders to sell their positions and causing the price to drop even further. However, the selling pressure eases at some point and the price begins to rebound, springing back above the support level. This rebound creates a long opportunity for traders who can enter the market at a lower price. In a bullish market, the spring pattern occurs when the price of an asset breaks above a resistance level, causing many traders to buy into the asset and drive the price up even further. However, the buying pressure eases at some point, and the price begins to decline, springing below the resistance level. This decline creates a selling opportunity for traders who can short the market at a higher price. Next up, we have an indicator called Support Resistance with Breaks and Retests by Juan Getty. This is an excellent indicator that takes all the guesswork out of trading. The Break and Retest indicator strives to provide a visual aid for spotting areas of continuation and pullback. Support and resistance levels are drawn out automatically and have sequential conditions in place to determine a breakout following an eventual retest. A bullish break occurs when the candlestick closes above the recent swing high. This is an indication of a high buying interest. However, opening a long position at this price is risky, since such a price spike often leads to drawbacks. That's why the indicator tracks price retests as well, which allows you to open a trade at a better price. Save this gem to your favorite scripts, and let's reveal the indicator number 11. This magic indicator is called Super Trend X4 with Cloud Fill by Kush C. The indicator is super easy to use and gives an accurate reading of an ongoing trend. It is constructed with two parameters, namely period and multiplier. The implementation of 4 super trends and cloud fills allows for a better overall picture of the higher and lower timeframe trend one is trading a particular security in. Here's an example of how this indicator works in practice. Any signal given by a short-term super trend gets cancelled by a long-term super trend. With this rule in place, you can only take trades that go with the prevailing market sentiment. Alright, up until now, the indicators were quite good. Now let me show you some true killers. Number 10. The Liquidity Sentiment Profile by Lux Algo. I wouldn't exaggerate if I told you this is one, if not the best, volume profile indicators on the TradingView platform. This advanced charting tool measures by combining price and volume data over specified anchored periods and highlights the distribution of liquidity and market sentiment at specific price levels. For those of you who don't know, liquidity refers to the availability of orders at specific price levels in the market, allowing transactions to occur smoothly. A liquidity sentiment profile is a combination of liquidity and a sentiment profile, where the right side of the profile highlights the distribution of the traded activity at different price levels, and the left side of the profile highlights the market sentiment at those price levels. Buy-side and sell-side liquidity zones display liquidity levels, also known as supply and demand zones. With this indicator, you'll never find yourself confused about market behavior ever again. Next up on our list is an algorithmic indicator called Kyle Algo V1. This script can be a core indicator for any buy-sell trading strategy. The strategy mainly combines two technical indicators, Keltner channels and Supertrend, to generate trading signals. It generates clear buy and sell signals, represented as labels on the chart. This makes it easy to identify potential entry and exit points in the market. For an extra layer of protection, the indicator implements 15 exponential moving averages and candle coloring. The tool works great with oscillators, volume indicators, and price patterns. On the 8th place, we have a similar indicator. However, this one is coded into a full strategy. It's called Power Trend, Volume Range Filter Strategy by W.B. Bergin. This is a breakout strategy that works best on trending assets with high volume and liquidity. It should be used on middle to higher time frames and can be used on all assets that have volume provided by the data source, stocks, crypto, Forex. The strategy enters a long position if the range filter is trending upwards and the price crosses the upper range band, which signifies a price volume breakout. The strategy closes a long position if the range filter is trending downwards and the price crosses the lower range band, which signifies a breakdown. The default trend filter is not alterable because it helps prevent false entries and exits that are against the trend. On the Solana price chart in the 15-minute time frame, the strategy shows pretty good performance. 7th on our list is Smart Money Oscillator by Chart Prime. The Smart Money Oscillator is a premium and discount zone oscillator with BOS and CHOCH built in for further analysis of price action. This indicator works by first determining the premium and discount zones by using pivot points. The top of this oscillator represents the current premium zone, while the bottom half represents the discount zone. This oscillator functionally works like a stochastic oscillator, with more sophisticated upper and lower bounds generated using smart money concept theories. Another interesting feature of this tool is the bullish and bearish divergences. Order blocks with real-time fibs by QuantView takes 6th place in our ranking. Combining order blocks with Fibonacci retracement is a truly genius idea. Once an order block is detected, the indicator will automatically draw Fibonacci levels and continue to update those levels in real time until the user-selected retracement level has been hit or a new, more relevant order block has been found. Instead of opening a long position at the order block retest, you now have the option to buy on a pullback to one of these Fibonacci levels. For example, once a bullish order block is formed, you can wait for the price to return to the 0.6 weight fib level to initiate a long trade. The opposite is true when a bearish order block is formed. If you like smart money concepts, you're definitely going to want to save the following indicator. This tool is called ICT Donchian Smart Money Structure by Ziaman. The Inner Circle Trader methodology is focused on understanding the actions and implications of so-called smart money, large institutions and professional traders who often influence market movements. Key to this is the concept of market structure and how it can provide insights into potential price moves. The indicator implements the Donchian channel, which acts as a dynamic supply and demand. These zones can be used for trade entries. Here's how. It is important to ensure that the trend is bullish before buying a security. A bullish trend is confirmed by the break in market structure and green candles. A long entry can be initiated at the retest of neutral or demand zone. Traders, if you like the indicators we found for you, please like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies for future content. Okay, let's move on to the indicator number 4, the Channels with Patterns by Chart Prime. The Channels with Patterns indicator is an attempt at minimizing the delay in forming a trend channel. This indicator uses a single pivot in conjunction with a smooth version of the price to estimate the direction of an emerging trend. This indicator estimates the trend channel by checking if the price is moving in the correct direction, and then it projects the channel from a single pivot. To allow for some margin of error, this script uses an offset to help center the channel. In conjunction with forming estimated trend channels, this indicator features select candlestick patterns. These candlestick patterns are filtered by location in the formed trend channel. For example, a bearish engulfing appearing when filtered in an upper zone might add an extra level of real-time unique confluence for traders. Traders can use this script as a general trendline indicator that is a bit more forward-looking than others, or it can be used as a full-blown trend channel estimator. Third on our list is the Imbalance Algo indicator by ImbaTrader. Its performance on Solana is mind-blowing. Over 90% win rate with 20 winning trades in a row. The indicator issues easy-to-follow buy and sell alerts with stop losses and take profit targets. Even a beginner can use this tool and profit from any market. In the indicator's inputs, you have plenty of tweaks such as the stop loss and take profit distance, sensitivity, an option to choose a different strategy depending on market you're trading. Overall, it's a great script to trade with. Traders, stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal the second place indicator. This tool is called the ORB Algo by Flux Charts. ORB stands for Opening Range Breakout, which is a common trading strategy. The indicator can analyze the market trend in the current session and give buy, sell, take profit, and stop loss signals. This indicator works best on 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute timeframes. The idea is that the trend of the current session can be forecasted by analyzing the market for a while after the session starts. However, each market has its own dynamics, and the algorithm will need fine-tuning to get the best performance possible. So, the creator of this script has implemented a backtesting dashboard that shows the past performance of the algorithm in the current ticker with your current settings. The algorithm follows and analyzes the first 30 minutes of the session. This value can be changed. Then, it checks for breakouts of the opening ranges high or low. If a breakout happens in a bullish or bearish direction, the algorithm will check for retests of the breakout. Depending on the sensitivity setting, there must be up to 3 failed retests for the breakout to be considered as reliable. If the breakout is reliable, the algorithm will give an entry signal. Pretty cool script. However, you have not seen the indicator topping our list yet. This tool is a real deal. It's called the Trade IQ Toolkit. This indicator has everything for analyzing price action on a professional level. In my opinion, every professional trader who uses the TradingView platform must have this tool in his library. Even if you're a price action trader, this indicator can take your skills to a totally new dimension. The Trade IQ Toolkit includes 7 different features: buy and sell signals with targets, multi-time frame volumetric order blocks, supply and demand zones, improved trend lines, trend dashboard, trend candles, and ghost order blocks. I made a full tutorial about this indicator recently. You can watch it right after this video. If you can't wait to try the Trade IQ Toolkit, click the first link in the description and get yours today, risk-free for 7 days.